Alright guys, I just want to do that video. I need to do more videos on 350Z. This is 350Z. There's my camper too. I got a truck and total Taurus over there. But that's how to check to see if a misfire is going on. Hopefully it'll go off after I drive it for so long. I was checking it and it's not misfiring as bad because it'll be going boop. So whenever you have a misfire, you can tell because the thing will bounce a lot. Your RPMs will bounce just if it's just sitting there. And when you're at a stop sign, this I can tell if it's your boot or spark plugs are good change. But always when you're at a stoplight, if it's just feels like it's shaking, man. Mine was shaking, dude. When I'd be at a stoplight,